So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello friends, this is IT Basis YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to activate and install Bandicam software, full-time activation or lifetime activation. As you can see, I have two files here on my desktop, Bandicam setup and a keymaker file clerk. So I'm going to learn my setup of Bandicam, then I install it on my computer so that I make sure that I show everyone how to install it on his or her computer. So we are going to wait around 1 minute for installation. Then after, we'll make sure that we solve all problems that our software used to face, like watermark problem. So guys, as you can see now, I finished to install. It is opened now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, then I choose, I'm going to go to full screen. Then after, I go to right bottom corner and then I choose this one. It is better, and then here I use MPGE1. It is better. Then I hit OK, and also I'm going to click on start recording. As you can see, our recording, it is now started. We are going to record around 10 seconds or 11. Then after, I'll make sure I show you the result of what we are doing. As you can see here, it is done. Then I quit and I go to my Bandicam recording directory. Then as you can see, I am going to run this. As you see now, it has the result. It has a Bandicam watermark. What we are going to do, we are going to remove this to our Bandicam. So what we are going to do, we are going to go on desktop, and then we learn the key maker file clerk as an admin, and then they are going to ask an email. So what we are going to use, we are going to use bandicam@gmail.com. As you can see, I put it a bandicam@gmail.com, and then I'm going to hit register application. As you can see, they are saying Bandicam registered successfully. Then I hit OK, and then I quit this. Then also I'm going to delete those above two because they are no longer important, because we finished to use it. And then we are going to reopen a Bandicam so that we are going to check the result of what we are going to do. As you can see, it is opening now, and it's going to take few time. As you can see, I'm going to use full screen recording. Then I start to record. As you can see, it is recording. I'm going to record around 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, I'll make sure I show you how to do that. It is done now. I'm going to quit. Then we check the result of what we did. Then I'll make sure that I show you the result. As you can see, the result, our video we recorded the last time after activation. As you can see, our recorded video has no watermark as the first one before activation. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then like our video, then share with your friends so that they are going to use this software without a watermark. Guys, thanks. Let's meet in the next video.